where the Sami parliament is, in Karasjok, which is the northern part of Norway on the Finnish border, in fact. So Karasjok is where they have the parliament. That parliament sits to discuss Sami issues here in Norway, but also anything that is brought to them by the Sami of Finland or Sweden. They have representatives in the Norwegian parliament as well. They are elected in their own communities and then come to the Norwegian parliament. So nowadays, Sami lifestyle culture is very much celebrated in Scandinavia, and I think one of the first times that we really noticed it was in the opening ceremony of the Olympics in 1994 in Lillehammer. There were quite a number of Sami in the opening ceremony, and really with their beautiful national costumes in fabulous color, and that really was a time when Norway, stood up and said, we have this fabulous Sami population and we want to celebrate it. For many years in the past, Sami were, I don't like to use the word discriminated because that makes it sound like there was actually, some thought behind it. They weren't thought about at all, and wasn't something that was really discussed. People didn't really think about it. It wasn't discussed in government. Then in the 1950s, the government decided to dam a river